Friday clock just hit 5. Shake the week off, feel alive. Jeans ripped at the knee, lipstick stains on whiskey. Neon lights through Uber glass, laughing at our working class. Monday's problems fade to gray, weekend vibes won't obey. Weekend vibes in stereo, baseline deep, let's move slow. Every worry left behind, dancing fools but hearts aligned. Sunday scary, stay away, we've got 48 to play. When the clock tries to intrude, we just turn up the mood, we just turn up the mood. You win out all than a dirt sheet, and every note I'm meant to be, trying to hold on to the day how we finally forsake. Ever crawling if it's here, just our will can make it here. If a battle with a cane, how we still find a way. Weekend vibes in stereo, baseline deep, let's move slow. Every worry left behind, dancing fools but hearts aligned. Sunday scary, stay away, we've got 48 to play. When the clock tries to intrude, we just turn up the mood, we just turn up the mood. Weekend vibes in stereo, baseline deep, let's move slow.